Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to add calendar schedule widget in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold on the screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add calendar schedule widget. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the calendar schedule widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, okay, to add the schedule of your calendar widget, okay, you'll have to do is click the widget. And okay guys, here to add the schedule, you'll have to do is click the month on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can select the day you want to schedule. Okay, for my example, I choose the 26 August 26. And okay guys, after that, after you select the day, okay, click the plus sign on the lower right side on your screen to select the goal, reminder, task, or event. And okay guys, I select the task. Okay, I create a task. And okay guys, now you can add the title of your task. Okay, for my example, okay, I write the vlogging day. And okay guys, after that, okay, click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, the task is saved on August 26. And okay guys, okay, go back and now you can see the task here in the calendar schedule widget. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add calendar schedule widget in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.